everyone, this is Anita C. So you can see I'm still at the Treehouse Villa. We stay here for 3 nights already, and we are heading to Phuket today. And before I leave the property, I have request for a quick room tour to Paradise Resort next door, which is owned by the same owner. That one is a 4-star property opened about 20 years ago, and Treehouse is the newer one opened about 6 years ago. Treehouse definitely is a wonderful 5-star property, but they have a lot of share facility like restaurants, like activity, the cooking class and so with the Paradise. So I'm just curious, I want to take a look at the Paradise Resort as well. So I have request for a special room tour, and they are showing me 2 of the top higher category. So I'm going to show you as well. Just follow me. So although I stay at the Treehouse, I request to take a look at the rooms at Paradise. It is one of their best room type, newly renovated, with beachfront assets, also with the pool. Okay, thank you. Wow. Very nice. And then let's take a look. They have the swing chair, the day bed. And then the rain shower over here. And then the same outdoor space and the bar that we had at the Treehouse. It's pretty amazing here too. Okay, so now we're in another room category, the Plunge to Ocean View room at the Paradise. Actually, it's high on the hilltop, and you can see a wonderful ocean view from the room, and that's the view to wake up to. So it's a 4-star hotel, but still it's very spacious. A lot of outdoor space, and the plunge pool got very great views to enjoy.